What's the meaning of air quotes? Air quotes. Air quotes. Air quotes. Air quotes. Air quotes.
Air quotes are a gesture in which a person uses their fingers to make quote marks in the air. It is often used when speaking ironically or to indicate that the speaker does not believe what they are saying. The purpose of air quotes is to convey sarcasm, irony, or skepticism without having to say it explicitly. The gesture has become a popular culture phenomenon, often used in movies and television shows to emphasize the speaker's point. In this way, air quotes are a shorthand for expressing a complex set of emotions or ideas.